Hi, thank you for visiting. This video is about how to make money online. Today I will share with you some of the most trusted and underrated paid referral sites. These sites won't make you rich, but they will enable you to earn a good income which you can recycle into a solid investment. You will need sites which pay passive income. Sites like referral programs where you can make money simply by referring someone to a link or site for a fee. There are a lot of sites out there, but finding them can be challenging and sometimes frustrating. You can do a thorough search engine review, or you can use the websites I am about to provide you. These sites can be trusted and pay well. Number 1, Creative Live is an online site that provides free and paid online courses on various topics. They offer digital marketing, SEO, web development, information technology, video editing, etc. They also have a very good referral program that will pay you $1 for each person that register for free. All they have to do is a free sign up and you get paid. They also offer 20% revenue share for new customer and 10% revenue share for returning customer. This is a passive income site in which you can earn money quickly if used properly. The more referrals you have, the more you will get paid. To start earning with Creative Live, simply visit creativelive.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, click Become an Affiliate and start earning passive income today. You can also take free online courses. Number 2, Unique Rewards is an online survey site which is very underrated. They have one of the best referral programs. They have a variety of ways for you to make money. You can earn by taking surveys, performing paid registrations, referring someone, and many more easy-to-earn options. Their referral program pays $1 when each of your referrals completes his/her first free paid survey or offer. They pay you $5 when your referral earns their first $20, and 10% of their qualified earnings for life. It doesn't take long to earn $20. You get $5 just for registering. This is a unique survey panel. Number 3, Inbox Dollars is another paid online survey site with an excellent referral program. They pay $1 for the first 5 referrals that registers for free and 30% of their earnings for life. So each time they get paid, you will get paid. They also have a very huge site and various ways for you to earn. You can make money taking surveys, doing free registrations, watching videos, referrals, and a few other legitimate ways. This is a very good website. They also offer a free $5 registration bonus as well. Number 4, Univox Community is another survey panel which pays well. They also have a good referral program. You get $1 for each person who registers for free. They also offer a free registration bonus as well. This site only offers paid surveys and are a very dependable and trustworthy panel. They have good payment methods and pay scale which allows you to earn more money with each withdrawals. Number 5, GME is the fastest paying online site period. They pay you faster than a speeding bullet. If you do a cash withdrawal and check your PayPal account, you will have your funds instantly. They also have lots of daily surveys and is getting better and better. You can earn a quick $5 easily with this site. They also have a good referral program which pays $1 for each person who registers. They also only offer paid surveys. This is a very good site also. Now you have some good sites to begin with. These sites will prevent you from having to waste a lot of time. They are tested and trusted. They will help you to make enough cash to do other things with. They will also put an end to all the frustration of trying to find a good site. These are only a few sites. There are many more. All it takes to find them is proper research. Please come back and visit my channel. I will provide more good sites. Watch for more videos to come. To find links to these sites, please scroll down and look below the video. Click the Show More option and you will see them. You can also request links if needed. Simply leave a comment and I will respond. Also, please visit us on Pinterest, www.pinterest.com/getpaid to take a surveys 5. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.